airplane challenge. It's very similar to the bank basketball softball challenge. I made my 2 paper airplanes, and you can make them any which way you wish. The only thing I would not do is make that one that is used for aerials. Try and make them fly as straight as possible. We're doing this outside. It's a little bit windy, but the goal is to see how many airplanes you can get into the crate, bucket, or basket. Again, we're going to use the 12-foot for the grades 4 through 8 and the 8-foot for grades K through 3. I'm going to start with the harder one, see if I can make it. Just like darts, I'm going to try and just put 1 foot forward and use just my elbow. Nope. Let's see. Oh, that was close. And the goal is how many you can make out of 10 throws. So if you make 2 airplanes, just do it 5 times each. Try. Thank goodness the camera's so far away. You didn't hear my knees crack.
What? Oh. Oh.
Mrs. Pat got a little nervous because she heard something in the backyard.
Oh. 1 out of 6.
No, I think that was 8. That was 8.
Oh, wait. I wasn't counting.
Oh! Here we go.
Oh, 2 out of 10.
2 points.